Stock number 40523R. It's a 2019 Mercedes Gla 250. You can see the front bumper's no good. It's damaged. The grill's no good. You can see the damage. The headlight's busted. It does have a key. It does not start. The hood's no good, it's damaged. Fender's no good. You can see the rails on the top. It does have a key, it does not start. The interior is very nice. It's got the paddle shifters on the handle, on the steering wheel. Glove box. There's the passenger side. And here's the driver's side. Does not have a sunroof. See, the interior is in good condition. All the seat belts are good. Okay. Again, this is stock number 40523R. It is a 2019 Mercedes GLA 250. It does have a key, it does not start.